me. Every time I come to India, I'm always impressed with the warm friendship and the warm hospitality and this great welcome coming in today. These beautiful children here, it's such a great welcome. Thank you for that.
So what are your expectations today? What do you think the students will react when they look at you, see you, because they're admiring you a lot? So what do you think?
They look at me like I'm an alien. I come from space and they think I'm an alien, but my message to them is to work hard and do their best in school every day and to dream big and to never give up on your dream.
Many people who wanted to pursue their career in space. So after 20 to 30 years, what do you expect from we students, our youth? What do you expect from us?
They will be the generation going to Mars. We call them the Mars generation. I see some future astronauts here. And this will be the generation to be the first to land on Mars. So 20 years from now, if I come back here, I'm going to meet some of your astronauts that have been on the planet Mars, or maybe on the moon as well, and that'll be very exciting for me. is an actual piece of the planet Mars. Now this comes from an asteroid hits Mars, it kicks off a Mars rock, and sometimes these Mars rocks land on Earth as a meteorite. And we know from the chemistry of this one, this is definitely a piece of Mars. So I'm going to leave it with you, and the Excel students. I'm going to leave it with you under one condition. I want one of our Excel students to bring back a bigger piece. I want to thank everybody for the incredible welcome to Excel today. It was unbelievable. Thank you.